Wow, that's so refreshing.
Hard to believe this was completely generated by AI, right? And that's just a quick look at what's possible. In today's video, I'm excited to walk you through Pollo Agent 2.0 and show you how easy it is to create high quality product ads, UGC videos, clone viral ads, and even build complete brand kits in just a few simple steps. Whether you're creating content for yourself or running a business, this tool will help you get professional results effortlessly. So, sit back, relax, and let's dive in together. To get started, search for Pollo AI on Google or simply click the link in my description. Log in with your email and you'll land right on the dashboard. On the left side, you'll find all the options to generate images and videos, along with the brand kit and other essential panels. On the main dashboard, you can explore various AI models like Seedance 2.5, Minimax, H3, and Nano Banana, or choose from a wide range of use cases to test unlimited possibilities. In video mode, you get features like image to video, reference to video, text to video, and a video upscaler. In image mode, you have text to image, an AI photo editor, image to image, and an image upscaler. There is also an agent mode where you can generate photo to video ads, URL to video ads, script to video ads, UGC video ads, voice and video cloned ads, and story videos. You can also check the inspiration section to see what kind of results others are generating. To generate a photo to video ad, simply navigate to agent mode and select photo to video. Next, upload your product image. Once the upload is complete, click on send and the rendering process will begin. As you can see, our product image has been successfully uploaded. Next, you will see a few options to select based on your requirements. Once you configure all the settings, your final video will be completely generated. Let me play it for you so you can see how it turned out.
When the heat is too much to handle, reach for something real, refreshing and natural. Go on, feel it.
As you can see, the final output is incredibly engaging and high quality, complete with impressive details and an automatic voiceover. If you want to make any adjustments, you can easily ask the chat to make changes or regenerate the video entirely. To save the file, simply click on the download button. Just like that, you've created a compelling video from a single image. Beyond photo to video, agent mode also allows you to convert URLs into video ads, generate script to video ads, and create so much more. Now, let's move on to reference to video. To get started, head over to agent mode and select video, then choose the reference video option. Next, pick your desired model. You'll find several options available, such as Sora, Veo, Minimax, H3, Seedance 2.0, and the latest Seedance 2.5 model. First, upload your product image, followed by your reference video. For example, I'm uploading a Coca-Cola ad as my reference. Once both are uploaded, paste your prompt into the text box. If you want background audio, make sure to enable it. You can also adjust the aspect ratio, video length, and playback speed according to your preferences. After setting everything up, simply click on generate. The rendering process will begin, and once it's finished, I'll show you the final result. As you can see from the result, I'll show you a side-by-side comparison of the reference video and the generated output so you can see how accurately it turned out. You can easily create similar videos using this exact method and download them directly. Similarly, if you want to generate UGC ads, you can easily do that as well. Just head over to agent mode and select UGC video ads. Below, you'll also find various templates that you can use directly. If you like a template, simply click on try now and the prompt will load automatically. From there, you can easily swap in your own product image and even switch the AI model if needed. Once everything is set, click send and let's see what result we get. The result is ready and I'll play it for you now.
Okay, wait. This is so good. I was not expecting this from a canned juice. Strawberry, cold, refreshing. Yeah, that's it. I'm not joking, this one's actually different. Strawberry fans, you need this.
As you can see, the quality is absolutely amazing and high res. It generates results featuring realistic models. I'll go ahead and download this. You also get several extra options here to extend the video, generate another variation, adjust the product resolution, or add a custom call to action. Next, let's look at script to video. To start, you can upload your product photo or simply paste a product link directly from platforms like Amazon, Flipkart, or TikTok. I'm going to use a different product this time, upload my prompt, and hit send. Let's see how well it generates a video straight from a script. Following the same process, I'll show you the final result right away. The result is now ready. And And as you can see, it has generated a highly professional video complete with an engaging storyline. You can freely use these videos anywhere without any issues. That covers all the main features. Now, let's talk about the brand kit. At the bottom of the side menu, you'll find the brand kit option. Once you open it, click on create brand kit. You will be presented with two choices: import from website or no website yet, add manually. This means you can automatically pull brand assets directly from a website URL or set up everything manually if you don't have a website yet. To import from a website, simply paste your URL and click import. For instance, I'm pasting the Pollo AI website link here. As soon as you hit import, it automatically extracts the logo, primary fonts, headlines, color scheme, brand images, brand values, and even the tone of voice. If you don't have a website, click on Create Brand Kit, type in your brand name, for example, Tekiki, Tech Lord, and click Create. Next, upload your logo. I'm using a product image as a placeholder for now. Select your preferred font styles, customize the color palette, and upload relevant brand images. You can also add your taglines, core brand values, and tone of voice. Once everything is configured, click Create, and your brand kit is fully set up. Let's generate some visuals using the brand kit. Simply open the brand kit from the three-dot menu, paste your prompt, and select your preferred model. You can choose the resolution, quality, number of images, and other settings, then click next and generate. As you can see, the images are ready with great quality and I can directly use them on my website and other marketing materials. Overall, this is an incredible feature-packed tool for managing and scaling brands with endless use cases. The link is in the description, so make sure to check it out. That's all for this video. See you in the next one.